All right, so today we are going to be doing what I am going to call a ripple pour. This was just kind of a thought I had in my head about how, when doing a straight pour, how to just kind of slightly turn your wrist and just sort of make the paint ripple. Kind of worked in this experiment for me, kind of didn't. I definitely got a good idea as to how to do this technique again in the future. But this is what I like to do, right? Is just do experiments and try and figure it out. And so here we go. So all I'm going to do to make this ripple I'm talking about is in my straight pour is just start to turn my wrist. Now I'm not turning it too much here. The more dramatically you turn it, the more of the ripple effect that you do end up actually getting. Little easier to see when I do the second pour. There, you can kind of see it there, where you're getting that ripple of the paint coming down. It looks really, really neat. Okay, here we go, layering the second cup. So my colors today, I basically picked from just a bunch of leftover paints that I had, and I just picked everything bright and fun that I had. It's been real crappy weather here in Calgary, lots of snow and gray and cloudy, so I wanted something bright and fun. So here I'm moving a little too quickly. I should have slowed down, but you can really start to see that ripple effect that I'm getting. But I would definitely slow down the next time doing this again. Oh no! It happens to the best of us. And lucky for me, I still had some paint in my cup, so I was able, as you can see, to kind of fix it and sort of continue on with that pour over top of it. Well, what can you do? I'm not going to scrape it, so let's just see if we can make it work.